from Northerly Island, and today I'm going to show you how to make ice sun catchers. You will need a muffin pan, a cake bun pan, or anything similar from your kitchen. It's also a great time to go outside on a walk and collect items from nature. Gather items like pine cones, pine needles, loose leaves, twigs, anything that is loose and has fallen to the ground. Next, lay your items out. Take a look. Choose which ones you would like to use for your sun catcher. After you've chosen your items, grab some string or twine, pour water into your muffin or cake pan, and arrange your items in the water. Put the pan in freezer or outside overnight until it is frozen solid. The next day, pop your items out and hang them on a tree in your yard or in your neighborhood. If you don't have string or twine, you can simply freeze your items and make an ice sculpture to perhaps put on your stairs. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this activity and are looking for more things to do at home, stay connected and check out more fun activities on YouTube at www.chicagoparkdistrict.com.